Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. A very nice song here from Ben Platt. I'm not sure if we had him before here, Growing Guitar, but anyway, this one is called Andrew. And I love the sound of this music, some kind of 70s vibe on it with a modern touch. And I also like the music video that fits this very well. So, nice song here from Ben Platt. Let's dive into this one. And we use a capo here on the 2nd fret. That will be the easiest scenario for us. And I believe that is what's used also when the guitar is played there in the music video. I'm not sure, but I believe so. And we'll make this a little bit easier because in the beginning here and also perhaps in the background of the song, there's a lot of finger picking going on here. I'm not going to go and dive into that world. I'm gonna keep that simple now with an easy string pattern that works and it's playable if you just are a simple guitarist like I am. So we're gonna go with a simple string pattern. Anyway, let's look at that later. Now the chords. So we're gonna use A first, and we have 6 chords in total. A is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. We have a B minor. That is a bar on the 2nd fret. You bar all strings except from the last D. You don't have to. And then you will add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. From this grip, you go over to the C sharp minor. You don't adjust anything more than where you are on the fretboard. You land with the exact same grip here with the bar finger now index on the 4th fret. All right. So everything else is the same. You just move it from B minor 2 frets towards you, and that gives you bar on 4th, and then you add 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. There you have your C sharp minor. We will play the D as well. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And speaking of E, that's the next chord. And that will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. And the final chord is G. So that is 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, so I mentioned the strumming. We'll keep all the pickings out of this tutorial for this time. So strumming here, if you grab the A, that's the first chord. One string around will be down, down, up, down, up. Right, so like that. And I like to play the first down more on the bass strings to really set the chord, the bass for it, and then I answer with the down up more in the mid higher string area there down there. So bass, like that. All right, so we have different parts here for the song. We'll start with the verse, of course. So you have 2 string rounds per chord in the order A, B minor, G, and A. So it both starts and ends on A. That means you will have A 4 rounds there with the last, and if you include the first A as well there. So 1 round goes that. You're gonna play 2 chord progression rounds, and that is your verse. Over to pre-chorus, you're gonna play C sharp minor 2 string rounds, D2, A2, and E2. That is the first half of it. Then the second half will be C sharp 2, D2, and A4. All right, so it's very similar to 2 halves here. We had A2 and E2 in the first half there in the end, and the second end goes with just A4 instead. So C, D, A, E. Again, C, D, have the pre-chorus. Okay, let's go into the chorus part here, and this is actually also a bridge part later on. So you're gonna play E2, B minor 2, A2, and back to E2. So it both starts and ends on E now. In the same way as the verses plays with A in the beginning and the end, this time we have the E. So E, B minor, A, and E, 2 string rounds per chord. You're gonna play 4 rounds of it. I'm gonna give you 2, so let's go. Next. Right, so that was 2 rounds. You play 4 rounds, and then you go back. No, actually, you have instrumental parts first before we go back into the second round here, verse and everything. And yeah, this instrumental part is played just after this first chorus, and it goes E2, B minor 2, G2, and A2, like this. E, B, G, and A. All right. Now it's time for the second round. So you just play everything else in the same way, and you come to the pre-chorus, played in the same way as the previous pre-chorus and also the second chorus. After the second chorus comes a bridge part, and that is actually the same as a chorus play. So you just continue with this bridge part, and then you play the outro. The outro is played in the exact same way as the instrumental part we just learned: E, B minor, G, and A, 2 string rounds per chord. So nothing new here. That is how it goes, and that pretty much covers Ben Platt's Andrew. Nice song there, really is, and fits guitar very well, so give it a try. Hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to support me here, subscribe to this channel, all that good stuff. Until next time, play tuned.